Shenseea is the first female dancehall artist to make the Billboard Hot 100 in 17 years. Cardi B says when she was 12 years old, she saw Spice did something that inspired her, and Jada Kingdom buys a brand new mansion.
First of all, I have a fucking sauna in my house. Like, please stop talking to me.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, I'm pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, before me start, I just want to big up the top girl, Shenseea, alright? Because what she post and she a big up Dancehall IG. And we know that Dancehall IG is a family. I couldn't do it without everybody will support the channel them and watch the video. You know what I mean? I talk about all platform, right? So, she posts on her story and she said, big up YouTuber, blogger, Dancehall IG. Thank you for your continuous support. It doesn't go unnoticed, right? So people wanna say, you see what I said, the artist actually, I said thank you for posting her content. You see me? And she didn't have to do that because, you know, it really like, you know, she does have been nice and I appreciate that. I look upon her in a different light. You know, I did done rate her already, but this just make it over the top, you see me I say. So big up the top girl Shenseea and big up everybody with support Dancehall IG. This is not just for me, this is for everybody with support, right? So people, we are going to show you Jada Kingdom house, right? So Jada Kingdom just got a brand new property in Miami and this look real nice, I'm not lie people. You see me I say all of our hard work come true, you see me? So I have little clips of it and I'm going to show you what go on. You see me, she's really excited and I'm excited for her as well. So here goes, take a look at this.
Hello? Anybody home? Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. First of all, I have a fucking sauna in my house. Like, please stop talking to me.
So on this clip right here, she said, I'm blessed, hashtag new house, and she pinned the location, Miami, Florida, right? So people, she really excited. You can hear she is screaming at the house just for hear the echo. For sure know how big the house is. On this now, she tagged Versiman and she said, you amaze me every day. Everything you said we would do gets executed. God got his hand on you, right? So again, congratulations to them both. You see me, I love to see that. I love to know, say, Jada, you know what I mean, I get through. Because you know what she been through. She been through a lot with management and all of that. So I'm glad for she say, you know, she have them kind of thing right now. She always been honest about what she have and what she not. Obviously, when I say she come and speak out about her situation all the time. So I just respect it just the same when time she accomplished and she shared with we. You see what I say? She posts this on her story, by the way. She never like post it, so there's no caption or nothing with it. But we can know, say, you know what I mean, we know the feeling. If I did a you and I, anybody, you know what I mean, accomplish something as great as a house, would have glad about it, right? So people, we are going to talk about Spice and Cardi B again. I don't want to see the clip, you know, I post it, and a lot of people are watch it. Everybody has said they love it, and love the unity. You know, Shenseea and Megan Thee Stallion was there as well, and even Cardi B's sister, which is a must, like obviously. So I say, NC Carolina, right? I hope I say that good. But let's hear what Cardi B has said to Spice.
Thank you so much, Spice. I want to tell you something. From my 12th birthday, I told my dad to give me an every shirt because I saw it on Spice, but I told you to she's really been off your artist. Let's get the party going,
So Spice posted that clip, and in the caption she said, Cardi B said she's been a fan of my music since she was 12 years old. It doesn't mean that I am old. It means that I started chasing my dreams early and she put her hashtag Vibes Cartel Gaza Nation hashtag ramping shop. So Spice I make it clear like look here man, I don't know why that could feel like say to Cardi B say from she at 12. You know what I mean? That means I'm a old woman. No, it just mean that I started while I was a teen. You see me I say I'm a have to respect Cardi B people. I know say a lot of island people just have this. Every respect for Cardi B and Nicki Minaj as well, Rihanna and people like those who always shine light on with music and with culture and all them things. So I mean I say Drake as well, and you know what I mean, you have other people like Tory Lanez and well heap of people, but you know those are the main names where always like we are forward as a Caribbean movement. You see me I say them now left we out. Cardi B keep her birthday party and the whole thing about dancehall. She bring in the artists them. So I mean I say you have to respect that. You see me? But people, we are going to move on and we are going to talk about Shenseea. So Shenseea is the first female dancehall artist to make the Billboard Hot 100. Let me say that clearly. Billboard Hot 100. Is so I say in 17 years. And when me there, I think me I try to remember like I would have which song, you know what I mean, would be the last song. So what come to mind me I say maybe a Lady Star and No Doubt Underneath It All, which me know a lot of Shenseea fans them probably never know that song there. And you know what I mean, the younger fans them still. But I was wrong. It's not that song. It is Miss Thing and Beanie Man Dude, right? So Miss Thing is the female artist on that song. You know what I mean? It says specifically says female in 17 years. So other artists, you know what I mean, had collab, I'm sure go up on Billboard. Male artists we are talking about, right? So yeah, people, happy for Shenseea. I want to know Shenseea say, boy, she not care about being first of anything. But in this case, she did put in the caption and she said, F the first thing, this is the first that I am happy. I did something great. 17 years with that exclamation sign, like she say, yo, that's a long time. You see me? But people don't know it go. Big up Shenseea. Right now, the female, them are winning a dancehall. Them are win big. Them are get the most international attention. Them are get hit song. Them social media popping. Them are get the numbers. Them genuine. And I don't know what they now do. You see what I mean? I say, I'm just happy if you know and say the ladies them out there and them are do it. You see what I mean? I say, because you know, say, in these kind of industries, it's just a handful of female. I don't know why it's like that, because to me, ladies make just as good music as male. But you know what I mean, in other side of the world set up for right now still. But ladies, you know, keep on working, you know what I mean, all of the young female and we are listening of dreams and inspirations, we know keep working at it. Thank you for listening. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.